Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the recipe of a Sri Lankan rich gourd curry. As you all know, rich gourd is very rich in fibers, vitamins, minerals and low in fat and calories. Therefore, it is one of the best solutions for you guys to lose weight. This rich gourd is around 300 grams. Wash this, cut into pieces, then peel off the skin. Don't worry if there is a little greenery left. Cut the pieces a little thicker to prevent dissolving while cooking. Now it's the time to add the spices. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of unroasted curry powder, half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, salt to taste. Now I'm gonna add a very little amount of water, maybe around 5 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna add green chili, onion, few curry leaves and pandan leaves. Cover this and cook until the water evaporates. Once rich gourd becomes soft, add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Stir well and cook for a few minutes without covering. Now our rich gourd curry is almost done. You can enjoy this with a plate of rice. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon in the next video.